The death toll from coronavirus in China has risen to 1,367, with 254 new fatalities. This as China's Hubei province, which is the epicenter of the coronavirus outbreak, has recorded its highest number of coronavirus deaths in a day. The province's top political leader was sacked as a distressing tally was made public. China has also moved the officials of Macau and Hong Kong. Over 240 people died of COVID-19 on Wednesday. Not only that, the province also recorded highest number of confirmed coronavirus cases. Over 14,840 new cases emerged as China revised the diagnosis method. The grim data came a day after China had reported its lowest number of coronavirus cases in 2 weeks. The previous record rise in the death toll was 103 on 10th February. However, it was not immediately clear how the new methodology affected the results, nor why the death toll rose so sharply. In a statement, the Hubei Health Commission said that it included cases that were clinically diagnosed in its official data. Authorities have said that the change would mean that patients could get treatment as early as possible and be consistent with the classification used in other provinces. The data from now will include both the people with symptoms as well as those who have been clinically diagnosed. This means that those having a CT scan showing an infected lung will be included in official figures. The diagnosis will not entirely rely on standard nucleic acid results. Result is from Chinese trials testing a combination of antiviral drugs used to treat HIV against the new coronavirus are due in weeks. But experts say a vaccine could still be months away. Meanwhile, China has deployed over 350 medical workers units to the Hubei province. Apart from civilian health workers, a first batch of 2,600 additional army medics arrived in Hubei's capital, Wuhan. This is the third batch of military medical staff being sent to Wuhan, bringing the total number to 4,000. Meanwhile, China Health Commission briefed on the situation. Listen in.
Now, I'd like to focus my comments on the expansion of manufacturing capacities. In the past few days, we've carried out the following efforts. We organized enterprises to restart business. We've implemented the State Council's guidance on organizing the recovery of work by major manufacturers to ensure medical supplies. On the 1st of February, NDRC collaborated with the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology and issued an order to localities to organize manufacturers to expand capacity. At the same time, they need to ensure the safety running of enterprises.
Vietnam has taken the drastic step of quarantining a commune of 10,000 people due to fears of the spread of the new coronavirus. The country's health ministry announced that the epidemic area of Son Loi commune will be isolated as of today. The commune will be quarantined for an initial period of 20 days as of now. China's neighbor Vietnam has reported 15 confirmed cases of the COVID-19, 5 of them in Son Loi commune. The locking down of the commune of Son Loi, about 40 kilometers from Hanoi, is the first mass quarantine outside of China since the virus emerged from central Chinese city of Wuhan late last year. Tokyo 2020 President Yoshiro Mori has announced that the committee is not considering cancelling the Olympic Games due to the coronavirus outbreak. Yoshiro Mori said that the reason behind this announcement was to quell, quote, irresponsible rumors about the fate of the Games. The IOC's Coordination Commission Chief for the Tokyo Games, John Coates, described the virus as an unexpected issue. Coates said he looked forward to hearing Tokyo's measures to ensure that athletes and visitors to the Games are not affected by the virus.
With regards to the coronavirus, which started in Hubei province of China, there were many irresponsible rumors. But I would like to make it clear once again that we are not considering the cancellation or the postponement of the Games.
The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said that it had not yet been invited to send in experts to assist with the investigation of the coronavirus outbreak that has killed over 1,000 people. An advanced team of World Health Organization medical experts arrived in China on Monday to help investigate the outbreak, and the United States has been waiting for approval to send its experts as part of the WHO team. 2 Chinese nationals hospitalized in Russia with the new virus have fully recovered and were discharged from hospitals. A Chinese tourist being treated in Chita, eastern Siberia, was released after a series of tests revealed he was no longer carrying the new coronavirus. Earlier on Tuesday, a hospital in Tyumen in western Siberia had discharged a female Chinese student who had also contracted the pathogen. Officials said that both patients suffered from a mild form of COVID-19 disease and they no longer posed any danger to people around them.